In this session we will create a chart for the development of percentage deviations. In the first step we will create the table and go here and we say if the actual value is bigger than 0, then cell D8 divided with cell E8 minus 1 and semicolon 0, and copy it down. So here we mark the cells and say the button %style. Then we will define the positive and negative deviations, and we say if the deviation of cell 08 bigger than 0, then cell 08, and if not, then 0. And we copy it down. And negative deviation, we say if deviation smaller than 0, then ABS for absolutely value of 08, semicolon 0, and we copy it down. Then we will define the maximum value, so max, and we mark the cells P8 until Q19 and multiplicate it the maximum value by -1. And we mark it and we make a click on the button %style. That's the first step. In the next video we will create the chart for the positive deviations.